Good morning, class. Today we shall study a new chapter of Reader. How much land does a man need? The meaning of the topic is एक आदमी को कितनी जरूरत होती है जमीन की. This is the topic of the chapter, and this story that is taken from the novel of the Leo Tolstoy, who is a Russian novelist, and he is a very famous Russian novelist. And his story and novel are well known throughout the world. So one of the story from his novel, let us study. Pahom was a ambitious peasant. Pahom, a peasant who was very ambitious. Ambitious means extremely desirous to get anything. He owned several plots of land. He means he had several plots, means many plots of land for farming, but was always looking for more and more land to buy. But he was always anxious to buy or eager to buy more and more land to farming. One day he heard of a wonderful deal in a far off country. One day he came to know that there is a wonderful deal of land in a far off country, means पास पड़ोस के कुछ दूर में गांव में. The land of the Baskir, and this land is of Baskir who were selling. He traveled there and negotiated with the village elder. He traveled means he went there, means where the lands are sold. He went there and negotiated. Negotiated means you can say go to an agreement of purchasing a land with the village elder. With the village elder means who is the elder person of the village, or who is the owner of the village, who seemed a fool, and the elder villager seemed to be a fool, एक मूर्ख जैसा दिखता था. The elder told Pahom that he could have all the lands he wanted. Pahom told the elder of the village told to Pahom means the peasant, that he could have all the lands he wanted for 1,000 rubles a day. Means the elders of the village elder of the village suggested him or indicated him that he can purchase all the lands in a 1,000 rubles a day. Means this a day means all the lands can be purchased by the peasants in a day from 1,000 ruble. But it was difficult to understand by the Pahom. Pahom did not understand what is the elder saying. What kind of rate is that? इसकी क्या कीमत है? Land for a day, एक दिन के लिए जमीन. He asked, means Pahom was confused what is saying, what is said by the elder, what kind of the rate is that? Land for a day, एक दिन के लिए land. How many acres would that be? And he asked कि कितनी एकड़ जमीन होगी. तो we do not calculate price your way, means the way. The elder said we do not calculate, we do not consider the price of the land your way, in your method, in your custom. We sell by the day. We sell the land by the day. Means हम जमीन को दिन के हिसाब से बेचते हैं. However much you can walk around in one day will be yours. Now जितना भी तुम एक दिन में टहल लोगे वो तुम्हारी जमीन होगी. Pahom exclaimed with happiness. Exclaimed means to express joy, to cry with joy. Pahom exclaimed, a man can walk around a lot of land in one day. Means a man can walk in one day through a lot of land. So he can be the owner of a lot of land in a day, in one day. His eyes lightening up at the prospect, and his eyes lightened up at the prospect. At the prospect means possibility of gaining a lot of land. So his eyes lightened. His eyes started lighting, and all of it will be yours. The Baskir smiled. The Baskir smiled. The Baskir, the elder of the village, smiled, and all of it will be yours. और सारी जमीन आपकी होगी knowingly. But there was one condition. But it has one condition. But there was one condition. If Pahom did not return to the starting point by sundown, his money would be forfeited. Means if you will not return, if you will not return, if you would not return from the place you have started your journey, you have started your walking by sundown, your money will be forfeited. आपकी मनी, आपका पैसा जब्त कर लिया जाएगा. Means जब्त कर लिया जाए, and you will not be given land. Pahom spent a sleepless night, and now Pahom spent a sleepless night. Means he did not experience sleep at night. He was ecstatic. Ecstatic means extremely happy, extremely joyful, extremely happy at the thought of accumulating so much land, and he was extremely happy that he would have acquired a lot of land. With the thinking of this, he was extremely ecstatic, means extremely happy. Rising at dawn, as dawn, he went with the villagers, and when the sun rises, he went with the villagers to the top of a hill. वह एक पहाड़ी की चोटी से जो है पहुंचा. Where the elder put down his head, and where the elder means the elder person of the Baskir put down his head for the point. After placing his thousands rubles on the top of it, and on the top of the hat, the Pahom kept his 1,000 ruble on the top of the hat. Pahom began walking, digging holes. Now Pahom began walking. Pahom ने चलना शुरू कर दिया, and digging holes, and he marked by digging the place where he walked along the way to mark his land. That he kept marking the place from where he was moving. The going was easy, and he thought, I will do another 3 miles and then turn left. The going was easy, and he thought, जाना आसान था, और वो सोचा, I will do another 3 miles, means I can go another 3 miles more, and then turn left. अब मैं बाएं तरफ मुड़ूंगा. The land is so beautiful here, and this land is very beautiful here. It would be a pity to miss any, and it would be harmful. It would be profitless if we miss this land. Pahom hurried throughout the morning, and Pahom hurriedly kept on moving since morning, going out of his way to aid more land, and he kept on moving to aid more land. But at noon, when he looked back at the hill, लेकिन जब दोपहर में उसने पीछे हिल की तरफ देखा, फ्रॉम वेयर ही हैड स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग, जहाँ से उसने चलना शुरू किया था, इट वॉज डिफिकल्ट टू सी द प्लेस, टू सी द पीपल स्टैंडिंग देयर. And now it became difficult to see the people those were standing at the top of the hill. And then he became worried. So it was difficult to see the people standing there. Maybe I have gone too far. हो सकता है कि मैं ज़्यादा दूर चला गया हूँ. He worried. Now he started worrying. चिंता करना शुरू कर दिया. And he decided he must begin to make shorter side to his plot of land. And now he thought that he should take a shorter way to the shorter way for the land, shorter way for the place, so that he may reach in time. As the afternoon wore on, जैसे ही दोपहर ढक गई, the wore on हो गई, the heat was exhausting. Now the heat was exhausting. गर्मी कम होने लगी. By now his bare feet were cut. अब उसके नंगे पैर में जलन होने लगी. And bruised means खून निकलने लगे, सूजन हो गए. And his legs felt weak. और उसके पैरों में कमजोरी आ गई. He wanted to rest. वह आराम करना चाहता था. But he knew he had to go on. लेकिन उसे मालूम था कि उसे अभी चलना ही चलना है. So today is all for the explanation, and rest of the part of the story I shall explain in following class. Thank you, class.